Hmm. There's something way I can do. Huh? Do I even think about when I was pissing? Huh. I was just thinking about something that Carter Silva won't doesn't reverse or anything. Hmm. Okay. I want to do something to make a pizza. Shall I make a pizza out of cheese or pepperoni? Maybe I have to create something new pizzas. The bacon. Oh, the bacon! How you know about bacon? Well, it's a bacon that looks like a topping on the pizza. So I have to make bacon and then into the pizza, right? It's a new topping. I call it that. It's really good pizza. Okay, now it's time to make some bacon pizza. Bacon pizza, bacon pizza. Now, this is my idea.